So for this 3D shape you will need a piece of paper, a plate or something round to draw with. You will also need a pen or a pencil and a pair of scissors. The first step is to put the plate in the corner and to draw a circle all the way around the plate very carefully. The next step is to fold the paper vertically as I have shown, and then to fold the paper horizontally. I've put the dotted lines in just so that you can see where the folds are. This will give you a square, and the next step is to cut out the square very carefully. Then fold the paper over from top to bottom, and from the left hand side to the right hand side. Then carefully fold a diagonal from one corner to the other, and now fold from the other corners so that the other corners are now folded over. Now mark a point on the circle where each fold crosses the circle. Join each of those points together with 8 straight lines, and this creates the octagon. Cut out the octagon carefully. Put the octagon on top of the blank piece of paper, and then place a dot on the blank piece of paper at each corner of the octagon you've just made. Once again, join all those dots together, and then cut out the second octagon with the scissors. Now place the octagon back on the remaining piece of paper and put one corner of the octagon on the edge of the paper, and mark a dot where the other corner is, as shown in the picture. Now cut out the long strip of paper, fold it once in half, and then in half again, and fold it in half for a third time. And what you should see now is that the paper has been folded into 8 separate pieces. And here are those 8 separate pieces. Next, you need to mark a thick line at the top and bottom of each of those separate pieces. And then use each line to guide where you fold the piece over to make the tab to glue the piece together. Glue the pieces on one by one, nice and carefully. When you've glued all the pieces on, it should look something like this. So far what I've done is I've glued I've glued all the pieces onto the base, and then the next step will be to glue the lid onto the octagonal prism. And in this clip you can see that I've actually glued the lid on. I've only glued it onto one at the moment just so that you can see how it opens and closes. If you want to glue all the pieces on, then that's a good idea. So now you've finished your octagonal prism. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed making it. Well done.